Dr. Hamilton did not want me to give any kind of, most of us know who Dr. Hamilton is. I know. So, he didn't want me to give any big, flowery, introduction. So, I thought I'd tell a little story about Dr. Hamilton. Really an ugly story, I'm just kidding. I just want to see your face. I don't have one really, but I will say this. Okay, no, I do want to tell you though, real quickly, that 3 months ago, Dr. Hamilton gave me a neck and lower facelift, and I am so excited about it. I have a jawline now that I didn't have, and I am thrilled. So, and my recovery was so fast. It was really amazing. And if you are you on Facebook? Raise your hand if you're on Facebook. Okay, raise your hand if you're on our Facebook. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Everybody should be on our Facebook. Do you know why? There are so many. We have all kind of prizes, and we have things going on. You know about our events. So please like us on Facebook, and also check out our webpage because our website, because you will. And I'm sure it's on our materials here, but it's what. www.hamiltonfps for facial plastic surgery. .com. And you can see my face 2 days after surgery looking like a chipmunk. So that's kind of cool. But you'll actually go through the procedure with me and see like kind of my before and 2 days afterwards, and so you can kind of see what it's like. Anyway, if you have questions for me afterwards, I would love to answer them, and certainly Dr. Hamilton or any of the staff. But Dr. Hamilton.
Thank you. Thanks. I'd like to thank all the speakers because those were some great talks. I really enjoyed all three, and they're all a hard act to follow. So I'm going to try and be quick. I know you've been sitting a long time. And for many of you that have been to my seminars before, I usually kind of give the whole gamut of facial plastic surgery. And tonight I just want to kind of focus down. We're talking about skin rejuvenation and kind of coming off summer into fall. When is the time that we really think about that? So I gave a talk a few months ago out in Las Vegas talking about fractional CO2 and what role that fits in with skin rejuvenation today. And I thought I'd kind of use that to talk a little bit about where we are with skin rejuvenation and lasers and so forth. So if you've heard my talks before, I talk about CO2 laser a lot because I know skincare can do a lot, but when it really comes down to making a dramatic difference, there aren't many things that can do that. And CO2 laser, we look at facial plastic surgery journals and things like that. CO2 laser always comes down to something that consistently makes a difference. And when you really talk about making lines go away, taking away sun damage, taking yourself back, I don't have anything that can do it like CO2 laser can. And consistently so. There's not another technique to do something like that to take away aging. So it's a great procedure, but now this is what my staff says, why did you show that? If you're uncomfortable with anything, this is what you look like afterwards. Red and long. I won't show that very long. But there's downtime. It also takes the color out of the skin. So while it's a great procedure, and I show patients that before they sign up. While it does some dramatic things, there really is some downtime. So as surgeons, we've been looking for other options for years to try and get around that, kind of producing the same results with less downtime. And about 10 years ago, we came up with the idea of fractional resurfacing. Actually, I'm going to talk about that next. But something